రాజ్యసభలో విశాఖ అంశాన్ని ప్రస్తావించారు ఎంపీ విజయసాయిరెడ్డి. విశాఖ అభివృద్ధికి సర్కారు తీసుకుంటున్న చర్యలను వివరించారు విజయసాయిరెడ్డి. ప్రభుత్వ అవసరాల దృష్ట్యా కొన్ని భవనాలు నిర్మిస్తున్నట్లు వివరించారు.
Sir, the central administrative tribunals are established under Article 323A of the Constitution, primarily for adjudication of disputes and complaints with respect of service matters of the public servants and post holders working under the central government, sir. Andhra Pradesh is the largest thickly populated state without bench of a central administrative tribunal. Andhra Pradesh currently has over about 50,000 central government employees, with over 60% residing in executive capital of Visakhapatnam, sir. Due to absence of CAT, Central Administrative Tribunal branch in Andhra Pradesh, the petitioners, many of whom are retired, have to travel to Hyderabad even for adjudication of their matters, sir. However, in Hyderabad in Telangana for resolution of their disputes. The interstate travel is causing a great inconvenience for many of the petitioners, sir. Visakhapatnam is ideal for the capital of for the new CAT bench and has many central government organizations such as steel plant, shipping, ship port trust, HCL, DCIL, railways, airport, customs, HPCL, LIC. There are many public sector undertakings that are located in Visakhapatnam, wherein thousands of employees are working, sir. I would therefore request the Honorable Law Minister to take steps towards setting up new CAT bench and with its chairman and members in Visakhapatnam, sir.
వ్యవసాయ బిల్లుల సందర్భంగా 8 మంది ఎంపీలపై సస్పెన్షన్పై రాజ్యసభలో తీవ్ర గందరగోళం నడుస్తోంది. సస్పెన్షన్ను ఎత్తివేయాలంటూ టీఆర్ఎస్ అకాలీదళ్ ఎంపీలు సభలో నిరసన వ్యక్తం చేశారు. రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలను ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Very strong footage, sir. Even on this bill, I don't want to go on the merit of that bill, sir. But whatever previously all parties they have promised in their manifesto, including Bharatiya Janata Party.
Don't go into
I'm not going. That itself is done, sir. But in spite of that, we are ready for the discussion because we are on very strong footage, sir.
Right.
And last point, sir. And
I have already called the leader of the house.
Sir,
he was on his legs.
Sir, let me. Sir, another point, sir. When they are talking about the numbers I don't want to go, sir. It was on that day particularly. It was in our favor. It was 110, and it was in there for it is 72, sir, which can be proved again, sir.
Right.
And
that
people,
that is different.
And sir.
Please.
No, ठीक है, sir. If
please come to.
Sir, if you feel
please sit down.
it is incorrect,
I will call you, na?
Sir, if you say I will withdraw it, sir, I don't have any prestige on that, but I can very confidently say that we had the numbers, and in spite of that, we were ready for the division also, and even if they express the regret and come here, today also, if there is division, we are okay, sir. And all the timing, and she talked about the MSP, why it is announced. Sir, it is an ongoing process. Before to this also, MSP was there, and now it is the decision is taken when the appropriate time has come, sir. And I would also tell, sir, the issue of, he called it as illegitimate. It is very, very unfortunate, sir. And I would only tell, sir, one week morning and 1 week evening, that was decided after talking to each other, speaker and chairman, after having a talk, it is decided, sir. And still then, if all the leaders and under your kind guidance, if they want to extend the time and discuss more, government is quite open, sir. We are not running away from discussion, sir.
Right.
Once again, I appeal them for whatever has happened. People have gone up to the deputy chairman, almost nearer to his sir, and I appeal them. If they express regret, government
right, you made that point.
Not very particular that they should be kept
we'll
out.
Just hear Praful and then come to you. Please.
Sir, Chairman, sir, I was not going to speak, but after you spoke, I'm feeling a little compelled to speak, sir. Sir, my party and myself, you are aware, we never enter the well of the house or do anything which is not in the best parliamentary traditions. And that we have followed all throughout and sometimes we are misunderstood also even in opposition because we maintain a certain decorum in the House. But whatever happened, sir, though it is, I mean, we agree it is unfortunate, but considering all that, sir, after you rose and was speaking, sir, I felt that in the heat of the moment, whatever happened, you understood the sentiments of some of the members of the House, and you, in your wisdom and in your compassion, would have agreed to withdraw the suspension of the 8 members, which happened yesterday, sir. So I appeal to you, sir, it's not the question of right or wrong. We agree that certain things, when you say, we take it as absolute, the words of wisdom and guidance. I once again appeal to you, sir, that in the best interest and the best traditions of the parliamentary democracy, and in this August House, these incidents, though should not have happened, but if you could consider and withdraw the suspension, it will be going a long way in building the trust deficit which has developed between the ruling side and the opposition side.
Thank you. I would have, Ramchandra Prasad Singh ji. Sorry, leader. Normally do not happen.
सर इमोशंस के बारे में बोला जा रहा है.
And sir, therefore, sir, since you are not taking any decision, I will
Whatever you want to do, you can do. No, when you say something, you must be ready to hear the other side also. I can't respond without the House accepting whatever you say. You can't. You please. If you want to make your point and don't want to hear the others, I leave it to you. Please, come on. Ready, please.
सर
You are not there when I made a mention. I said it. If they feel sorry, then it can be done.
If you were to be there, it would have happened.
Right, thank you. See, Ramchandra Prasad Singh. Kesarav ji, then it will be unending. Right, okay. Right.
सर इमोशन
Anybody, Dharmendra ji, anybody who makes a speech or suggestion must wait for others also to speak and hear their suggestions, and then if you are not satisfied with the government response, one can protest. If you say, what I say, everybody must hear, I will not hear others. This is not a fair way, and then making an appeal to the chair. Chair can go by the mood of the House or with what is proposed before me. Even the later I cannot. I would have advised the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, provided if the members have not gone on record justifying their action. That's the problem.
सर
Ramachandra Prasad,
सर इमोशंस के बारे में चर्चा किया गया सर. इमोशंस और इंटेंशन में बहुत फर्क है सर. इमोशन सर है जो स्पर ऑफ मोमेंट में होता है, कुछ मिनट लास्ट करेगा, कुछ घंटे लास्ट करेगा, लेकिन ये कई दिनों तक कर रहा है सर. इंटेंशन क्या था सर? अभी एक सांसद थे, चले गए, वो डिवीजन की मांग कर रहे थे, सीनियर सांसद हैं डिवीजन में. उसके बाद हम तो यहाँ बैठा था सर, प्रसन्ना जी भी थे, वहां जाकर के एक बार नहीं 3 बार 4 बार सर कागज फाड़ के हरिवंश बाबू पर फेंक रहे थे. डिवीजन की मांग करते हैं तो कम से कम ऑर्डर रहेगा तब तो बार बार बोल रहे थे सर. तो ये इंटेंशन सर आप जिस तरह से वहां किए सर, हरिवंश बाबू के ऊपर स्लैब दिखाया गया सर. ये तो हरिवंश बाबू की शालीनता है सर कि कोई भी अनप्रेसिडेंटेड घटना नहीं घटी, और ये सर ये कोई अच्छी चीज नहीं है. आप करें भी और ऊपर से जो है दादागिरी भी करें. आप यहाँ आपने आदेश दिया सर, ये लोग बात करते हैं, लोकतंत्र में विश्वास करते हैं, क्यों नहीं छोड़ करके गए? तो कोई भी चीज का आदेश करेंगे वो पालन नहीं होगा. और उतना ही नहीं, जाकर के बाहर सब धरना पर बैठ रहे हैं, जैसे लगते हैं कि देश की आजादी के लिए लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं. ये चीज सर जो इंटेंशन है इस पर देखा जाना चाहिए. और टू हियर इज ह्यूमन, वो ठीक है सर, लेकिन गलती के पीछे अगर मनसा आपकी गलत है तो उसको माफ नहीं किया जाना चाहिए.
Thank you. Sir, Leader of the House, I am sorry, Tawarchand ji, this has never happened. Once the leader is on his legs, he must be given. But because of the age and seniority of Devagowda ji, I yielded. Then now I am seeing a tendency. Some people say, first hear me. Whatever the rules.
They don't sit to
That is not the practice,
ruling
please.
party.
That is not the practice.
Sir, and then they don't sit to
Please.
listen to
Leader of the House.
आपका आदेश शिरोधार्य किया मैंने। माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपने नेता प्रतिपक्ष को बोलने का अवसर दिया। उन्होंने लंबी चौड़ी बातें करके कोशिश ये की है कि विपक्ष की कोई गलती नहीं है, आसंदी की गलती है। ये उचित नहीं है, कदापि उचित नहीं है। उस दिन की घटना को हर कोई दुखद और निंदनीय बता रहा। एलओपी ने भी ये कहा कि वो घटना दुखद थी, अच्छी नहीं थी, और उस दुखद और अच्छी घटना नहीं थी उसको उन्होंने सिद्ध करने की कोशिश की आसंदी के खिलाफ बोल करके कि वो जो कुछ हुआ था वो उचित हुआ था और आसंदी ने निर्णय गलत किया था। ये मैं उचित नहीं समझता हूँ, ये बात रिकॉर्ड में लाना चाहता हूँ। घटना की जानकारी तो सबने दे दी, मैं उसको दोहराना नहीं चाहता। मेरा भी 35 साल का संसदीय जीवन है।